The Blockchain Association of Uganda, in partnership with the Central Bank of Uganda's Finance Markets Development Committee, (FDX), have organized a blockchain and crypto assets workshop. The event, themed Framing a Conducive Policy for Blockchain Technology and Crypto Assets in Uganda, is aimed at providing a platform to better understand blockchain and crypto assets and the entire ecosystem. Advertisement: sign up to attend /bit. /crash Custotoba. The aim of the workshop is to deliver on the following objectives: discussion on the mechanics for formulation of a conducive policy for blockchain and crypto assets, deepening understanding of blockchain technology, crypto assets, and the entire ecosystem of the interaction within the Ugandan and global economy, assessing regulatory sandboxes, places for innovators to share and register their ideas, while providing use cases for regulators to better interact with the technologist cheat sheet mentioned by Agnoria that gives a basic breakdown of terminologies within the blockchain and crypto space. /t. Ulorado /expelled Felpic, Twitter.com/Ujumapi, Blockchain Association UG, at Blockchain UG, October 10, 2019. According to the event preamble shared with Bitcoin, the workshop shall delve deeper into the current trends related to appropriate policies for blockchain and crypto assets in Uganda and discuss other associated topics such as AML and regulatory sandboxes in Uganda. This workshop is in line with two of FAD's objectives, which are to strengthen the regulatory and supervisory framework within the financial sector and to expand the use of technology delivery channels and strengthen financial infrastructure to promote innovation. The workshop is looking to bridge the knowledge gap amongst both financial authorities and general public interested in investing in crypto assets. The workshop includes industry experts, financial sector regulators, and various stakeholders in the public and private sector that interface, or will interface with blockchain technology.
Simon Ortega, advisor at Financial Markets Development Committee, presenting on shaping the policy framework for digital currency and cryptocurrency in Uganda's financial sector. FMOC crypto assets. Twitter.com/LeroN, Blockchain Association UG, at Blockchain UG, October 10, 2019. Some select speakers at the event include Simon Ortega, advisor, FDX, Bank of Uganda, Rugunda, chairman, Blockchain Association of Uganda, Noah Balasandru, Blockchain Association of Uganda, Karunda Legal, Blockchain Association of Uganda, Joseph Lutwama, F. Sugandapata Breton Shanalis. This workshop comes at a time when the Bank of Uganda, BU, has established a blockchain working group within the bank, and as the Ugandan government is actively looking at the blockchain technology, especially with the recent statements from the Ministry of Finance, Uganda.
Upcoming event: sign up for the upcoming Bitcoin and crypto trading crash course to learn how to. You can read full post on CryptoFins News, link available in text below.